Hello students, welcome to classes of Deepal School. I am Miss Sipra and today I am going to discuss a chapter of Standard 1 Decoding Computer Science book. So this is the chapter number 3, that is the uses of computer. So in that chapter we are going to learn about the uses of computer in different places. Okay, so first of all we see the features of a computer, then after that we know uses of computer and know the different places where the computers are actually used. So first one, the features of computer. So students, you all know, and in the previous part or previous chapter we already learned about the different parts of computer. So what are the different parts of computer? The first one is monitor, then the second one is mouse, then the third one is keyboard, and the last one is system cabinet. Okay, so these are the four main parts of computer. Then after that we are see some important features of a computer now. So it can store lots of information, students. So first one or first feature of computer is it stores lots of information. Okay, then the second one is it never makes mistakes. Okay, in the third one you see it makes our work very easier. Okay, and in the fourth one it can do many types of tasks just like calculation, drawing, and etc. It never forgets. Okay, just like a human, they actually the human is always forgetting many things, but the computer never forgets. And in the last one, very fast. Okay, then after that we see uses of computer. So here the computer is very useful machine. We already know it. Computer are used by different people to do different types of work. So the computer help us to do many things. Okay, so you see here the child is learning with the help of watching videos, reading information on the internet, and even read a book on the computer just like me. Okay, so here you see. Okay, so this is the use of computer, and all of human being just like you or some childrens also use computer for learning. Then after that if we see, this boy is typing here and writing anything he want on the computer. So we can type poems, stories, and share with friends with the use of keyboard. Okay, so keyboard is used to type the text. So we also type on the computer. Okay, so this is the second use of computer, that is typing. And if we say about the third use, that is playing games. So here you see the boy is playing games with the help of computer. Okay, so a computer can be used to play games. Some popular games are chess, cricket, racing, etc. So these are the games that we play on a computer. Okay, so here you see, so this one is a application. If we say about the uses of computer, we say the computer help us in writing the application, essay, letter, etc. Just like this, the computer help us writing. Okay, or typing anything you say, typing, writing, anything. So the computer help us typing. Then if we say more about it, a computer also help us to calculate. Okay, or to do addition, subtraction, etc. just like this. And if we say the playing of games, you may see here these are the two types of game that we play on a computer. Okay, then we see the boy is solving the problem or solving the sum with the help of computer. So we can also solve our sum with using a computer. A computer can solve difficult sum easily in a matter of seconds. Okay, then here the boy is drawing a picture of apple on the computer. So we can say that we also draw and color on a computer. The computer can use as a art book. Okay, then here you see watching cartoon movies and videos. So the boy here you see in that picture is watching cartoons on a computer. So using computers we watch movies and cartoon shows. Then listening music, the person that sits in front of a computer is use his computer to listening music or play songs, okay, with the help of speaker. Then here you see a movie is played here. So with the use of computer we can see movies and cartoons, okay. And here the last one, that is sending and receiving messages. If we talk about the messages sending or receiving process, here you see the boy and the girl are sending messages to each other. Whenever you send a email or message from that computer or that computer system to another computer system, this one is receiving by whom you send, okay. So this is the uses of computer, and now we see the different places where actually computer is used. So if we talk about in the present time, everywhere where you see the computer is used, okay. So now we see some important places where computer is mainly used for different works, okay. In school students, so in school computer is used, at home computer is used, and in office computer is used, in bank computer is used, in hospital, in hotels, etc. So if we talk about the office, you may see here these are two office staff, and office staffs use computer to create files, to make design of projects, and to send and receive messages to make office work easily, okay. Then if you see here the film industry, in the film industry also the computer is used. So in the film industry a computer is used to animation films, like many of you see, that is Hanuman returns, etc., are produced with the help of computers. They are helpful for making movies and making cartoons, making composing music, recording voices, editing movies. And if we say about in hospitals the computers are also used to diagnosis and cure patients. They are also used eye testing, in surgeries, and preparing medical and pathological reports, okay. So and in that page you see at home we use also computer in many purposes. So here you see your mom, or just like a lady, your mom also doing work or making home budget with the help of computer, okay. Then here you see the girl is listening to music with the help of computer at home, just like you, okay. Then if we talk about the at the grocery shop we also use computer, at the bank shop we also use computer, at the railway station we also use computer, at movie studio we also use computer, and at library, at airport we use computers in different purposes. So here you see the another using of computer at home. So the boy is making drawings with the help of computer, and this one the boy is sending messages or emails with the help of computer. So last one we see the bank. So in the bank the computer is using to maintain accounts, to print bank statements, or to or passbooks accounts holders. In school we see here the computer is used to solve math sum quickly, to draw pictures, to prepare report cards, and etc. And if we say a lot, in many ways in the school there are the uses of computer are shown. At the railway station, you may see here, at the railway station, use of computers for booking tickets, for reservation they are also use them, to maintain the train or fight times, to check if seats are available or not, to issue tickets or book seats, etc. So it solves to calculate and make wheels quickly without making mistakes, just like here the person is doing. The computer help us to make bills quickly without making mistakes, to find out the price of goods, to find out the, or to keep sale purchases records, the computer is used. Okay, so you have to do the assessment sheet by your own, and I will sending the answer copy in your group. Thank you students, see you in next class.